As Prime Minister, I've always taken a principled position on human rights violations. It is a damning report. In fact, from what we see, nothing much has been done. Thousands have disappeared. Detainees apparently are still being tortured. Hundreds of Tamil women who have been raped. There has been no investigation. And there is a pressure, as you can see, we see on television, there is pressure on those who want to speak out against what is happening. There has been a total lack of accountability because we have values, as I say, which are enshrined in the Commonwealth Charter. We must stick to those values. I have taken the decision not to attend for these reasons, in my own deliberate judgment, because there has been no real progress on the issues. And therefore, I was told that by Mr. Sharma, he has repeated it to my foreign minister, that the tradition is that the head of government who wants to host the next CHOGM should be present in the country which is actually holding the CHOGM summit. It is the tradition, it is the convention. So I've instructed my foreign minister that since I have not come to the CHOGM in Sri Lanka, I don't want to disturb convention or tradition. I will then somebody else can do the CHOGM of 2015. I will withdraw from that CHOGM.